Hello guys, in this little new playlist I'm going to be showing you various kind of design tips. How can you make your designs look more impressive? So in this video, I'll cover the bridge. I'll also show the principle as well as how I apply in 3ds Max. So you can apply this technique to any program, Blender, ZBrush, Plasticity, Fusion 360, anything. So essentially if I create, let's say, a plane, and I'll go ahead and extrude this up. Alright, so we got this happening here. And so what I want to make more interesting, guys, is have a little kind of bridge effect right here. And what I will do here is I'll insert a loop. Now I'll hold down Shift and I'll select, let's say this right here. And I will press B, that's my hotkey, to bevel. But the trick is I bevel with 0. What this has done is this has created an actual bevel with 0. Now I'll hold down Shift and click here to convert to the border edges. If there's multiple ones right here, you can deselect that. And now you just use straight. By default, that's available under loops, loop tools. And we have straight. I've got it set to a hotkey, so I just press that. And boom. There is a difference, guys. If you use the button right here, you get this. If you press a hotkey, you get that. If you know what the difference is, if you press this right here, it will actually kind of straighten out the edges. It will try to equalize them. Versus if you just use a hotkey, it will kind of keep them in their kind of default position. So notice the difference between where this edge is here versus when I press it, versus when I use the hotkey. Anyways, now that we've got that, guys, now we have a bridge happening right here. I like to apply smooth to get rid of smoothing groups that can kind of interfere with my ability to see the mesh. Like right now, I can't really see what's happening here very well, but now with smooth, I can see exactly where it ends. Alright guys, now what I was saying about how you can deselect some edges, I'll explain. If I have, let's say, a curve here. Alright, let's say I want a bridge right here. And I'll hold Shift to convert to the border edges and click here. What's going to happen is if I press straight right now, it's going to straighten out here as well. So I need to here deselect this. Now when I use straight, this is happening. I'll also, of course, want to hold down Shift and then select this as well. Don't forget to select this, guys, and weld. Control A weld, because remember, you do have an extrusion happening there. If you don't weld, you're still going to have extra vertices here that are going to cause some problems. So don't forget to just do weld. Alright, this can also be used very nicely in freeform modeling. Let me model something a little bit more freeform here. I'm just modeling some little random shape here. So here, let's say just cut from here to here. And then let's say cut from here to here. So now I have a little kind of bridge effect happening right here, guys, and it could be the secret to creating a really cool design and really good shapes happening here. So guys, I hope you can use this in your designs to improve it. Thank you for watching and take care.